Hello, and my name is Lance, and today I'm doing a tutorial on how to basically model on Blender 3D a car into the interior of a car, which I'm going to model the interior of a Honda Civic. So what I'm going to be basically doing is modeling this entire interior of this car. So the inside of this car I'm going to basically be modeling right here. Is what I'm going to be doing. So now basically what I'm going to be doing is getting like, do I even have like blueprints in the interior? So here's images in the interior I'm going to use. I'm going to use this as an image back form right here, I think. It's just going to be very simple, basic, whatever, just very simple to do, but at the same time it's going to be very detailed and tutorial on how to model a car interior. So first of all, I'm going to be doing this frame right here on the car interior right there, and I'm going to be doing this outlook frame right there for the Honda Civic right there. And I'm going to be doing this outlook frame right here of the interior. So I'm going to be doing this entire framework of the car right there. So I think I need some images. So stuff like this. It's not going to look 100% like the image, but I want to try to get it to look close. So like that. Something like this. So now I'm just going to get started. So first of all, I'm going to go into here and start with this. Put like cursor to selected right there. Put a cursor right there. And now I'm just going to go A for adding plane. Move that up like that. Go edit like that. Go into here. Move this right about here, I think. And now I'm just going to go into here and select this piece right here, and I'm going to probably try to do this long piece that's going to go out right here. So right about right here. And do that long piece right there. Go on, go into here, Alt hide. And I'm just going to hide that right there. Go into here. And kind of want to do this piece that comes out right about there. That so I'm going to bring this a little bit back, a little bit like this. Like that. Kind of like that right there. And bring that a little bit like that. And so it's more like this right here. It's more like this ledge just going to come up right here. So I'm just going to go in here. I'm just going to do this. extrude, extrude like that, make another incision like this, extrude. You can always add basically loop cuts in the future, but I just want to get out the general shape like that. Extrude like that, extrude, extrude like that, extrude right here, 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 move that right about there, and I'm just going to move this kind of like that to get this to be the way it is. Move this right about here, like that. Move this right about there. Move this. Move this right about there. This right about here. So we finished that so far. And I had to basically do kind of a cut right here. So it comes across right here. So I have to kind of do, let's say, a cut right about here. A cut that's going to go, let's say, right about here somewhere. So right about here. And right about here somewhere. So cut that's going to go right about here. And now I'm just going to go into here. Extrude, and hold down the X key on the keyboard to extrude that out like that. And I'm just going to move that out right about there. Go into here. Extrude that like that. hold down I think Alt M for mirror, and we're going to mirror those together. We're going to hold down Alt M again, and go at center, and we're going to merge these, which I assume that you already know how to use this program. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into here, and we're going to do something right about here. And we're just going to cut that right about there. We're going to hold down CTRL tab for edge, and we're going to select the edge right there. And we're going to hold down shift, and we're going to actually select the edge right there. Bridge. Twist. Like that. We're going to go down like this. Hold down mirror. Glass. Like that. And now we're just going to hold down here, and we're going to add a couple loop cuts right here. Go down right here. And I'm just going to select this. So that's selected right there. And we're going to select that right about there. So that looks like that. B, select that, and we're going to move that right about there. There, this right about here. So it looks like that. Going to B again. Go hit B key to skip for box selection, move that right there. So I'm just trying to get out the main general shape of this right here. Hit Z basically and go to solid shading mode. Let me see how much we're done. And we're trying to get this entire thing right here, so I'm just going to go into here. Go CTRL, link, and go flip normal like that. And flip this on the outside like that. So I'm trying to get this box shape right about here. So kind of like the shape right here. Just trying to look at this. Kind of like that. Like that. See. We're going to move that right about there. B. Move this like that. And move that kind of like right there. Like that pretty much. B, I'm just gonna go out of here. Go. In here. And I'm just scaling that down like that. Actually, I'm going to have that exactly like that. And try to make this close to what I want. And just bring that out more like that. So we have this frame right here ready to be used. And then as this goes down, this is going to basically go into here. And this is going to shrink like that. Like that is going to shrink. Grab like that. And move this down. Extrude the interrior like that. Last right there. interrior last. I'm just basically going to do this outer rim layer right here of the car. Right about there. So we have this main thing right here ready to be done. So now we have to go into a little bit more detail by adding more detail into this right about here. I'm just getting at the main general body shape of this. So I'm just going to go into here. Let me see how much time we have left. It's almost 20 minutes. But this is going to be approximately like a couple of tutorials on this. So I'm just going to go into here. Actually, I'm just going to select these individually. Extrude the right there. And just select these. Extrude X right there. Extrude X. Right here. Right click. Extrude Z right here. Like that, and I'm just going to scale that in like that. Go into here, wireframe. go Alt, Center, Solid, like that. And we're just going to do that as a solid shape right there. Like that. And now I'm just going to go into here, just fix this up a bit, like that. Just move that, kind of like that. Like that. I'm just gonna go into here. Just gonna go into normal. And I'm just gonna go scale. Kind of like that. So we have that already set right there. And I guess that's it with this tutorial. The next part we're going to work on is we're going to work on in more detail doing in doing inside of here, which is this ledge right here. We're going to work on doing more inside of the car right there on the next tutorial. And then I'm going to do like the other side right there. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed part